Lesson 3, Free Time Activities, Vocabulary. Going shopping, going shopping. Jogging, jogging. Listening to music, listening to music. Playing computer games, playing computer games. Chatting online, chatting online. Playing tennis, playing tennis. Reading magazines, reading magazines. Watching a film, watching a film. Doing exercise, doing exercise. Going for walks, going for walks. Playing football, playing football. Watching TV, watching TV. Using the internet, using the internet. Doing nothing, doing nothing. Going to the gym, going to the gym. Stamp collecting, stamp collecting. Painting, painting. Going to the cinema, going to the cinema. Athletics, athletics. Baseball, baseball. Basketball, basketball. Chess, chess. Contemporary dance, contemporary dance. Cycling, cycling. Kickboxing, kickboxing. Parachuting, parachuting. Photography, photography. Pilates, pilates. Running, running. Sailing, sailing. Snooker, snooker. Street dance, street dance. Swimming, swimming. Table tennis, table tennis. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.